Can farmers go on vacation? We did chores the other day and we are preparing to go to Florida for a week. Since the barn is clean and bedded, all we need to do is put out some extra bales. It was just Shane and I and our kids leaving with some friends, so it wasn't a huge deal for us to leave for a week. The cows themselves are pretty low maintenance. As long as they have food and water, they're good to go. Shane's mom lives on the main farm. She was still going to be home all week, so she was still there to feed the replacement heifers morning and night and check on all the cows. If she was gone too, chores would be a different story. We'd have to find a neighbor or a friend to come check the cows every day, feed morning and night. It's still doable, but definitely a lot more complicated. I'd love to go on vacation all the time, but being married to a farmer, especially my husband, Mr. Shane Ferris, there's some ground rules. We got lucky going to Florida this time. It was warm, but we always have to vacation earlier in like January, February, because calving season is in March and April, and I'm not allowed to plan anything during those months. He's been thinking about moving his calving season a little ahead, like maybe middle of February to March-ish, but I don't know if I'll ever be able to spring break as a family because of calving season. I guess that's just one of those weird sacrifices you make to have cows.